Today I have another fun one for you. You may have seen this, you probably may haven't, I don't know. I have what is called the Bird Banger. Check it out. And be asking yourself, Hooch, I've never seen this thing before. That's right, because they're rare. Just think about an M80, but better. And I know some of you are thinking, why would you even have this? Well, to that I reply, why don't you have one of these? Taking one of these nice little cartridges here, give it a little cock back, a little primer. We're gonna stick it right in there. We're gonna take the missile rocket launcher here. We're gonna stick it right in there. And from there, she's ready to go. Basically, all I can tell you is it's fun. So let's shoot it. And here we go. Missile has been inserted, point in a safe direction, and fire. Ah, no! Bird Banger 1000.